Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to get rid of unwanted followers on X. So, if you want to get rid of unwanted followers, then you want to remove a follower from your X profile page. And the ability to do that is available on X website. On X mobile application, unfortunately, it's not always found, so you should use your preferred browsing system. So find a page that says x.com, then of course sign in to your X account, and finally when you're in, you have to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and access your profile. Now find followers count right here. At the top, go to followers section, and from this list you want to find specific follower that you want to get rid of, and tap three-dot button next to it and select option remove this follower, and of course confirm your action. This user will be removed from your followers section and they will not be notified, and they will have to follow you once again if they want to see your public posts. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.